Hello, and welcome to another edition of LoreZyra TV. This time we are looking at calendars, not calendars, but Lego posters by Bricks on the Dollar. This is a program where every month, if you subscribe to his poster program, he will send you a poster and a minifigure representing the theme of that poster. So, I have my tube here that I received as a part of a larger set of orders, and I expressly requested that these posters be part of my monthly orders, so that way I don't have to look for the tube going through customs as well as a separate box. It's best if it's all combined, and he's been more than happy to oblige me with that. So let's take a look and see what I have here. So I've already opened this side here, and we're going to take out, oh, here we go. We have a Octan minifigure here with a classic smiling face and green bottom, your basic red cap on the minifigure. Cool. And let's see what all I'll have in here. Oh, I see some more minifigures in here. Let's get this one out. Cool. Is this, what is this? Well, it seems like a space theme. I'm not exactly sure which space theme, but it looks cool. I like the overall color scheme with the light bluish gray with orange. Very cool. I like that. And even though this is like a scuba helmet, I think it works really well as a space helmet just as well. Very cool. I like it. Alright, that's two figures. And no other figures. That's okay. First 2 months he didn't offer minifigures, but from the third month on I believe he started offering figures. So let's see if I can get the posters here to come out. I may have to twist them out a bit. So let's probably have to do that. Alright, there we go. So let's take a look at this one. There's more in here. Alright. Cool. Nice little note. Okay, this note tells me a little bit about the theme and everything. Very cool. So this one is Galaxy Squad. Very cool. This is like legal paper size almost, maybe bigger. Looks almost like an size A3 page, and I presume this guy here matches this guy. So these two I presume are the same, or maybe it's this guy. Yeah, actually I think it's this guy. Very cool. I do like what I see here. Cool artwork. I gotta find somewhere I want to hang it on the wall, probably my front door. So let's take a look at the next poster. So let that roll up, right out of the way, move it. And let's see what else we have in here. So like the previous one, I have to twist it out. Okay, this is all of them. Alright, so I have more than one here obviously. Carefully unravel them. Oh, cool. Looks like I have a little mini effects. Okay, that's cool. So I don't know if this is still valid, but you could certainly go check out Mini FX, and if you can see the promo code there. Don't know if it's valid or not still, but definitely check out check it out with this coupon code. Go to minifx.com and get yourself a really cool figure. Okay, so let's see here. So we have Silly Brick Pics, Toy Photography. Okay, interesting. A little promotion here. Apparently, I'm going to guess maybe this is where Bricks on the Dollar made these posters. Not sure, but that's my guess. Alright. Another little description of what's going on here. A little, oh cool, a little introduction here. Who made the specific artwork and overall design? Very cool. Alright, so Brick, I guess that's what this is. You get apparently 25% off of this particular store, I guess. Apparently you go to brickgear.com. Alright, down. Let's see if we can get through these commercials a little faster. Alright. Okay, so every single one of these posters appear to be the same size. And okay, cool. So they all look like they're about A3, and I'm gonna guess that Octan here, Mr. Octan, goes with this poster here, which is supposed to be a representation of set 6543. If you could see that, here we are, and very cool. I wouldn't mind being this guy here on the little speedboat, or just lounging around over here. That might be cool. Alright, so let's take a look at the next poster. And what do we have here? Well, let's see here. Different artist, different idea, but this is the Witch's Windship. Apparently modeled or inspired by set 6037. So take a look here. And I'm going to guess maybe this is inspired from an old, I don't know if this is an actual set or not. I gotta review my history, Lego history. But looks kind of neat. It's interesting. So you have your AFOL mark right here in the corner. If you could see that right here, and yeah, it's interesting. Okay, cool. Kind of reminds me a little bit of cartoons from the 80s. Yes, I'm old enough to remember the 80s. Alright, I'm a huge sci-fi fan. And even though this is Rock Raiders, it reminds me a whole lot about space. Not explicitly about going through the Earth or what have you, but this is also by different artists. So it looks like every single one of these posters are designed and created by a different artist. None of them are the same artist so far. And each of these have a different story inspired by a different set. That Lego has made sometime in the past. So very cool. So it looks like you have some of the rock creatures here in the corner, kind of hiding, looking out at the ship here. So I guess this is from set 4980. And they found these crystals, and I guess this is what they're looking for. If I had to guess, these look more like Technique minifigures to me than anything else, but I mean, they're drawn as though they could have been Technique minifigures, even if they're not Technique at all. I would have been happier if they were drawn more like Lego, rather than more cartoon style. Cartoon style is cool, but I think the only thing here that is explicitly Lego, to me, at least to my eyes, would be the ship itself. The ship, to me, I see Lego. The rest here, I don't really see so much Lego. But it's interesting. I like it. Overall, I like it. So, cool. Of these 4 that I have, I asked Clutch to hang on to them for a while, so he sent 4 of them to me at once. That's very cool. Let's see. We're trying to see if I can decide on which one's my favorite. And I'm kind of torn between Galaxy Squad and Octan. I kind of like Octan more. Although it would be kind of neat if we were to see some Lego poster art using Technique themes. with Technique minifigure type drawings of the characters. That would be cool. So, something for Clutch to think about when he sees the next video. But this will go really well. Now, I showed this previously in a LEGO haul. This is the Dimensions portal, excuse me, not portal, but Dimensions poster. It tells you all the different stuff here. So, getting all these posters together I think was really cool. And kind of neat to get the poster here. Don't really need it, just neat. And if anyone wants this poster, just leave a comment for me, and I could send this Dimensions poster to you at my expense. Just let me know where you are, and I'll send it to you. So if you're interested, let me know. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been my review of Bricks on the Dollars poster program. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and I hope to see everyone in the next video. Until then, have an excellent day.